Hi guys, today is actually day 3 of the home reno. So I have completely done taking down the wall from the side. So today I need to take measurement of this door. This door right behind me. You can't really see it because it's all black. This door right behind me. That's the measurement I should take so that I can start opening the other side where the bathroom door is gonna be. That side. So the reason I don't want to just start breaking this wall without the measurements, because I might end up opening more than I should. So I don't want that. So let's get down to taking the measurements of the stove so I can start demolishing that side. Okay, with that done, now I can go and measure that side and take so that I can know exactly how much bricks I'm supposed to remove. I've just realized that I don't even have a marker, but anyway, it doesn't matter. We'll improvise. As you all guys can see, I've marked from which brick up until which brick. It's pretty much easy to see since the wall is dark. I was worried that since I don't have a marker, yeah, so I can start taking down this wall. Okay guys, this is about how far I got. I managed to get the top part, so now I have to tackle this lower part, then I'm done with the wall demolition. Can't wait to be finished. This job, it's very challenging. Okay guys, this is how far I got today, from up to bottom. But this bottom part I'm gonna finish tomorrow, because right now I'm so exhausted. Can't take it anymore. Anyway, I'm actually super proud of the progress that I've made, and it simply means by Monday, because today is Saturday, by Monday the guy I have hired, we're gonna start rebuilding the walls and closing that door behind me, the one that used to go from outside to this room. Then he can put also the door frames and stuff. And by the look of things, I'm gonna have to move in by next week, even if the work is not done. I guess I will finish the work while staying in this house. Okay, good morning guys. This is day 4 of the wall demolition. So today I will be finishing opening the side where the door is supposed to come for the bathroom. Then I'm completely done with the wall demolition. Then tomorrow the guy will come and erect the wall to separate the bathroom and the kitchen. That is how much work I have done yesterday. So the only work left is just a little bit. I think within an hour or two I'll be completely done. As for today, this is about how much work is left for me to complete. Then tomorrow we'll be erecting the wall in between the window and that side so that we can separate the bathroom and the kitchen. Yeah, once that's done, by the look of things, I will have to move in and continue the renovation while I'm staying here. Okay guys, that's completely done. The only thing that's left for me to do now is to clean up the mess and cut the wires. That's that. So I'm just gonna cut the wires and that's it for me, and start cleaning. Okay guys, everything is completely done except the cleaning part. I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I've already cut the wires, even the sides. I already removed the wires that were over here, and I've also opened up here. This is for the tap and this is for the sink drain. So yeah, that's it for today. What today is going to be happening, I will try and clean up all the blackness from the walls. I know I'm not going to be able to remove everything. As we all know, there's a strike going on, so the hardwares are not working. So I'm only going to do the little bit that I can do so that I can move in while I'm waiting for whatever that's happening to finish and the hardware start operating all over again. So for today, I'm going to be cleaning up the windows. So let me show you guys what needs to be done that I will be doing today, because for real guys, by Friday I need to be moving in. Let's go around. So this is what I will be trying to remove all the dirt up there, because whenever you touch the wall it comes crumbling down. But I know I'm not going to be able to remove all the blackness, but that's fine. Then I'm gonna get to the windows and try to clean up the window frames and remove all the dirt. Then I need to get some plastic to cover up the windows while I'm waiting for the window glass all around here. And the guy will be coming to erect the wall in between here. That's why I'll be able to move in even if the house is not completely done. So guys, let's get to work. Just look at all the dirt it came out from the walls. Look at everything. Black. But at least I'm also left with only one room to clean. So let's just get to it. Hopefully I'll be done. Oh, look at all that dust. I had to run out. Okay guys, I've tried my level best, even though it's not completely clean, but it's no longer as dark as it was before. That's about how much I can do. Look at this. It's pretty much clean if you ask me. Now I'm gonna tackle the window frames. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.